Now I'm taking my lipstick kit in the shade Mulberry. And Mulberry just like really reminds me of sand rose or like a dusty rose. But Mulberry again, taking the matching lip liner and just making sure I have full coverage when it comes to each application of the liquid lipstick. So creamy. And that's just with one application of the lip liner. And so when I apply the liquid lipstick, you're really gonna see like the true color payoff. Look at that. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful. Just making sure that each and every line is filled. But this is in the shade Mulberry. And this just really give me like evening vibes, like, you know, just compare with any eyeshadow, any lip gloss, just a perfect plum berry shade. And again, we have no color transfer when it comes down to my liquid lipsticks. When you're talking, you won't have that issue where you have lipstick on your chin, because I know that's so annoying, because like we have full lips over here, and so when we're talking, we're eating, and we have that lipstick transfer to your chin, and that's just not good. And so that's the best thing I can say about my liquid lipsticks. You do not have any problems. They will stay on all day. And again, my lipsticks are cruelty-free and vegan. So it's a great quality liquid lipstick.